My name is Claudia Imhoff. I'm the president of Intelligent Solutions, and I'm also the founder of the Boulder BI Brain Trust, a consortium of independent analysts, consultants, all with an interest in business intelligence.
What is the most important message you have today for the visitors?
Well, I think the important message that I tried to get across is that we need to move beyond simple analytics, simple reporting with our business intelligence environments, that we really need to get more into advanced analytics, getting into diagnostic analytics, for example. Why did something happen? Not just that it did happen. Getting into prescriptive analytics as well, and also, of course, predictive, being able to tell what's going to happen and then what are the best ways to handle those situations.
Could you please give me some examples of big data?
Sure. Big data is all over the place, first of all. There are all sorts of big data samples that we can talk about. There's sensor data. We have radio frequency identifiers, for example, on everything, clothing and everything you can imagine, even cans of drinks. So we can follow them from the time they've been created to the time that they're disposed of. We also have sensors on machines that tell us when a machine is about to fail, for example. We can get parts out to that machine before it actually fails. But it's also social media, things like Twitter, things like Facebook, being able to analyze sentiment analysis is all part of big data. And then we also have content, a lot of comments, if you will, or the multi-structured data, I guess is what people would call it. Doctors' notes, comments from customers, and so forth. So all of those things are parts, deal with big data.
Why is it important for organizations to have a data scientist?
Well, first of all, let's define what a data scientist is. A data scientist is an odd combination of skills. They certainly have the business domain knowledge. They can tell the CEO in business terms what the results of their analytics mean to the business and to the company as a whole. But they also have the math skills, the modeling skills, statistical skills that are necessary to create those results. And then the third component is data engineering, the ability to put the data together in a fashion that they can then analyze. So it's three really important skills. Companies need them because they are the people that can create those advanced analytics. They can tell a company where it's going, why it's going in that direction, and what should the company do about it. Should it stay on that path, or should it somehow change the path because it's not a good one for them? So they have the ability to communicate both with the business and the technical skill to get the data together to do the analyses.
How do you describe the role of the data scientist?
The data scientists are those incredibly technical but also really knowledgeable people in organizations, and there aren't very many of them. Many of them are actually in school today learning how to be a data scientist, but they are the ones that take data and make sense out of it, that give us the full picture of where is our company going, who's buying our products, which products are buying through what channels, and so forth. They're critical in terms of these advanced analytics that so many companies need today.